Hello guys, welcome to our channel staple review. In this video, we will try to help you find out the top 5 best screwdriver sets on the market. A well-rounded screwdriver set is an essential piece of any DIY-er's toolkit, regardless of their skill set or experience level. These simple hand tools provide the ability to tighten and loosen fasteners, a fundamental task in home repair and assembly projects. By purchasing a full set of screwdrivers, you'll be instantly prepared to handle a wide range of jobs, like replacing outlet covers, tightening cabinet hinges, or assembling furniture. For more useful additions to your toolkit, check out our picks for the best tape measures, hammers, and utility knives. If you want to see their latest prices and more images, you can check out those links in the description below. Like the video, comments, and don't forget subscribed. Let's see the product one by one. 1. Hinges 20-piece dual material screwdriver set. Hinges set features 20 screwdrivers in the most common sizes and types. A dual material grip provides comfort and precision, while an ergonomically shaped handle enhances hold and driving force. Hinges speed zone, located on the handle just before the shaft, has a more textured surface for added grip. This gives users better control and improved speed when they need to back off quickly or run down screws. We really like the versatility of this large screwdriver set. It includes 2 stubby screwdrivers and a few others with long, 8-inch shafts, which should offer good reach for most automobile, outdoor power equipment, or household projects. Plus, the kit includes an assortment of 6 precision screwdrivers to help with smaller tasks. 20 screwdrivers is quite a lot, so this may be enough to outfit the garage and garden shed. In our tests, the smooth tri-lobe handles felt firm and just grippy enough to get a good hold under normal conditions, but sweaty or greasy hands may slip on the surface. The handles did not provide much cushioning to speak of, and the lobes were not flat enough to prevent the screwdrivers from rolling. The magnetic tips were helpful while starting and removing screws, while the hex bolsters on the 6 largest screwdrivers made it easy to use a wrench for added torque. If the hex section were ½ inch longer, it would be even easier to use. We also liked the control offered by the spin caps on the precision drivers. With magnetic, black oxide tips for added recessed grip and torque, this makes an excellent set for DIY mechanics and home improvement specialists. Editor's note: the set we received for testing is, as of publishing, not the most current version of this set. Both versions offer many of the same features. We have linked to our tested version here, but the newer version is also available through the same link. Key features: number of screwdrivers, 20. Head types: Phillips, slotted, Torx. Handle type: plastic and rubber tri-lobe. Material: alloy steel. Nail and wire holder. Weight: 13.4 ounces. 2. Milwaukee 2-piece demo screwdriver set. If the first tool requirement for a project is heavy-duty performance, these Milwaukee screwdrivers may fit the bill. The wrench-ready hex shanks are constructed of forged steel. The metal core goes all the way through the handle, ending in an impact-resistant, heat-treated steel cap at the top of the handle. The comfortable tri-lobe handle design gives users an improved grip for improved leverage. This 2-piece demolition screwdriver set also includes quick reference markings on the handles for easy tool identification. These Milwaukee demolition screwdrivers are stoutly constructed for heavy-duty use, which made them outliers in our tests. We had to purchase larger screws and drill wider pilot holes into our hardwood and softwood pieces to test them accurately. The synthetic tri-lobe grips were extremely comfortable with generous proportions and a slightly cushioned surface, allowing us to deliver maximum torque. The tips gripped the screw heads well and stayed in the slots without slipping. The weight-to-length ratio of these drivers felt well balanced thanks to the shaft through the handle, or full tang, design. We like that the hexagonal shaft shape extends from the handle all the way to the tool tip, allowing us to use a wrench at the most convenient point for added leverage. Forged steel hex shafts and steel strike caps make these screwdrivers a top pick for tough jobs. Key features: weight 15.5 ounces. Head types: Phillips, slotted. Handle type: plastic and rubber tri-lobe with steel cap. 3. Hurricane 13-piece 1000V insulated screwdriver set. When working with electrical systems in the home, like replacing a light fixture or repairing a loose wire on a wall outlet, an insulated screwdriver helps reduce the risk of accidental electrocution. Hurricane's screwdriver set comes with 11 insulated screwdrivers and 1 interchangeable handle that will resist up to 1000 volts of electricity. An included electroprobe tests the target material for electrical current. The set includes 4 slotted, 2 Phillips, 3 Torx, and 2 positive screwdrivers made of chrome vanadium shafts and manganese phosphate tips, as well as a compact carrying case for safe storage. In our screw driving and removal tests, the Hurricane insulated screwdriver set worked efficiently. The textured plastic handle felt comfortable in the hand and held securely to the interchangeable screwdriver shafts with only the slightest wobble in the connection. We also used these screwdrivers for electrical and support screws while installing several outdoor ceiling fans. The magnetic bit tips conveniently stuck to lightweight electrical junction box screws to prevent drops, but heavier exterior wood screws dropped off. The voltage probe worked to detect live outlets by simply inserting the tip into the outlet while covering the rear contact plate with the thumb. We liked the neatly organized heavy-duty carry case but found the absence of a square drive bit a bit odd. Still, for common household electrical repairs and maintenance, this kit could come in really handy. Key features: head types, Phillips, slotted, Torx, positive. Handle type, plastic, removable insulated locking handle. Working standards of 1000 volts. Material, durable chrome vanadium steel. Weight, 1.79 pounds. 4. Klein Tools 1-1-in-1 magnetic screwdriver. Klein Tools multi-bit screwdriver streamlines the conventional screwdriver set. This multi-bit tool comes with 4 dual-side reversible screwdriver bits, including Phillips, slotted, Torx, and Robertson bits. The screwdriver doubles as a nut driver with 3 tips, including 3/8, 5 divided by 16, and 1/4-inch tips to handle any minor appliance repairs around the home. Each tip attaches to the metal shaft that packs a powerful magnetic force to hold the bits in place. Unused bits stack inside the shaft to stay safely out of the way without compromising the tool's ability to do its job. A rubber-coated handle provides comfort and control. In our tests, we were impressed by the snug, secure fit of the Klein Tools multi-bit driver. With 8 removable parts, handle, barrel, 2-bit retainer shafts, and 4 bits, it might be forgivable if the tool felt a little wobbly. But it didn't. The tool felt as secure as a conventional screwdriver. Plus, the rubber overmold on the handle provided a very comfortable, secure grip. We noticed that the strong magnetism of the bit retainers transferred through the bits, which helped prevent drops when starting or removing screws. The lightly textured bit tips also seemed to help maintain contact between the bits and screw heads, minimizing slippage and cam out while working. Overall, the tool was a pleasure to work with and would make a space-saving addition to any toolkit. Key features: screwdrivers, 8 bits plus 3 integrated nut drivers. Head types, Phillips, slotted, Torx, square. Handle type, plastic and rubber. Industrial strength heat-treated bits. Interchangeable shaft for quick and easy. 5. Milwaukee 9-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit driver. A good ratcheting driver allows users to apply more torque repetitively while maintaining a sturdy grip without repositioning the hand. The Milwaukee 9-in-1 ratcheting driver features a heavy-duty 3-way ratcheting mechanism that can be set to ratchet in either direction or lock in place for use as a conventional screwdriver. The set includes 7 3/2-inch interchangeable bits, 2 slotted bits, 2 Phillips bits, 1 square drive, and 2 electrical connector bits. 6 storage slots in the handle keep track of the extras when they are not in use. Milwaukee's all-metal ratchet mechanism delivers high torque for fast driving speeds. A magnetic bit retainer in the shaft ensures consistent driving performance. The included chrome-plated bits feature precision machined tips and wrench-ready hex shanks. They are tough enough to be used with cordless power tools for even more worksite versatility. When we tested the Milwaukee 9-in-1 bit driver in our hardwood and softwood screw-in and screw removal station, it outshined most of the other screwdrivers in terms of driving speed and operating efficiency. The textured handle was comfortable to work with, and the bits were easy to change. The large ratchet control switch was located at the base of the handle, where the thumb and forefinger naturally rest, making it easy to switch between modes. The only weak point we noticed was the wobbly connection point where the shaft enters the handle below the ratchet control switch, but it didn't seem to affect the tool's performance. With enough screwdriver bit selection for most DIY repair projects, this tool would make an excellent addition to any grab-and-go toolbox. Feature: screwdrivers, 7 screwdriver bits. Head types, Phillips, slotted, square, ECX. Handle type, plastic and rubber. Weight 0.77 pounds. 9-in-1 multi-bit drivers. 3-1 divided by 2 power groove bits. What to consider when choosing the best screwdriver set. A good quality screwdriver set comes with all the screw heads users need to tackle many different repairs and projects, from tightening up a loose door handle to assembling a piece of flat-pack furniture. Screwdriver head type. Different screwdriver heads correspond to different types of screws. That's what makes screwdriver sets so handy, they have a lot of head types. Here are the most common types of screwdriver heads. 1. Flat has a simple, flattened tip that sits in a straight line recess on the screw. 2. Phillips has a cross-pattern tip to fit into a cross-shaped recess on the screw. 3. Robertson has a square tip to fit into a square-shaped recess. 4. Torx has a star or 6-pointed tip for screws with a recess of the same shape. 5. Hex Key has a hexagonal head to fit a hexagonal recess on a screw. Each type of screwdriver comes in a variety of sizes to match the different sizes of screws, which really does matter. Resist the temptation to use a larger or smaller tool than needed. Mismatched sizes can strip screws, damage screwdrivers, and create slipping hazards that can lead to injury. Specialized tips. Magnetic tips create a magnetic force that draws the screw to the screwdriver. The increased force keeps more of the screwdriver head's surface area firmly attached to the screw's recess. In doing so, the screwdriver can apply more force to the screw, allowing the user to drive the screw more quickly and accurately than with a simple steel tip. Handle grip design. A slight difference in handle shape or size can change a screwdriver from a high-production construction tool to a high-accuracy technical tool. A wide-handle grip design allows users to drive a screw with more force. This design works well for driving simple construction screws quickly. T's total and storage. So how many screwdrivers does one really need? For those who consider themselves new to home repairs and don't intend to take on many ambitious projects in the future, a general-purpose selection of the most frequently used screwdrivers might do just fine. Additional features. Even simple, straightforward screwdrivers can have some additional features, such as specially insulated versions for use in electrical jobs. Other screwdriver kits may include heavy-duty shafts, tips, and handles intended for use as both chisels and screwdrivers. There are also screwdriver sets designed for those in the electronic repair industry that often contain flexible extension bars and a wide variety of precision tips for use with tiny screws. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Well, see you guys in the next videos.